Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're back at it at the Silverado and on the new cab. So this time we want to actually soundproof the cab. So I was looking online, since we stripped it all the way down, I figured might as well do a little upgrade for the interior, for the sound. So let's check out what I got. So we went online, found this company, and yeah, we ordered some. We got 2 boxes of it. So what we want to do is insulate the roof, the back panel, the flooring, and even the doors. So, I mean, we're going a little custom. We might as well do a little bit more touches to it. We got a full day of work because this stuff's probably, I don't think it's that easy to do. And we still got to clean the inside of it because last time we washed it, we painted it, and it's probably really dirty. So let's get straight to it. Let's wash inside the cab, wipe it down, get it clean, and then we're going to try to put this stuff on. So just like that, we wiped everything down. We vacuumed, cleaned up the trash, made it nice and clean, so this stuff's gonna stick to it really good. Also, we got the heat gun and the torch. We'll see what works better. And I went and bought a little roller. So three-way roller. If anything will take off the sides, just use one, or maybe it'll help with the 2. So, but the only thing I was thinking is, should I try to take this off or not? But I think I'm gonna leave it. And also we need to get the plugs from the other cab and put those in. But I'm just thinking where to start. Should I just start like this? Because I don't think we have to go all the way up to the top of the firewall, because it gets insulated in the dashboard. It should be fine. Or should I go this way, or does it matter? Go like that. And then we have to wrap all this. Let's just say it's gonna be fun. Well, let's get straight to it. So there we have it. We put about 6 to 7 sheets down, and it's looking really good. I feel like it's way more insulated now. But pretty much when we start on the back, we gotta get those plugs. So let's get the plugs from the other cab and keep working. So there we have it. We actually used one full box already. Definitely looks like we're gonna have to order some more, but let's try to get the rest of this floor done, and then whatever we have left. I don't know how high I'm gonna go with the firewall because it gets insulated pretty well with all of that stuff, but I'd rather do the back panel and the roof. So let's open up the other box and keep working. All right, so just like that, we got the floor covered pretty good. It's looking very well. So the next thing I want to do is actually work on this back panel. See how much pieces we have left. So let's put some of these panels on here, and then hopefully have enough to do the roof. But we'll go from there, little by little. All right, so there we have it. We used up 2 boxes. We used up all that we got, and we still need more. So I only got the back section of the roof done. We still have that whole roof to do, all the door panels to do. So we're gonna order 1 more box. I think that should be good enough. So let's go ahead and clean up the mess and maybe put this thing outside and let the sun really bake it. And then we can fix any other issues that we have with it and go from there. All right guys, so we got the cab outside. We're gonna let the sun warm up the rest of it, and then we're gonna roll it one more time to make sure everything is nice and flat. But pretty much, let's check it out. So pretty much I put only this much on the roof. And you can feel, when you're knocking on it, you can hear it sounds much better than this. So hopefully it's gonna sound a lot better. It's gonna be a little bit quieter inside, you know, because I mean, it's a nice truck, you know, might as well make it really nice. Also the back panel, I mean, it feels like it's sturdy now. So that's really good. And also we just, we got something in the mail. So let's go check it out because it's pretty exciting.
All right guys, so here it is. We got ourselves a really awesome gift, but you know, we're customizing our truck. We are gonna lift it, you know, from before to after. It's gonna be a crazy transformation, so we're really excited about that. And we had to get a basically rough country lift kit on it. So we reached out to them, they're willing to partner with us, and they sent us out a complete kit. So honestly, this thing is gonna be huge. Really happy about it. You guys,
I mean, how big are we going?
You guys have to guess. We're gonna open it up, we're gonna check out what we got, but leave a comment below and let us know what you think. How high are we gonna go with this thing?
Or how low?
Or how low? No, we're not gonna squat it, we're definitely gonna raise it. I mean, we don't wanna, we're going up for sure, guys. None of that stuff, but honestly, I'm really excited, like I said. We do lift our trucks usually, but here we got a complete kit. I mean, we got shocks, spindles, control arms, yeah, the whole 9 yards. It's gonna be great. So let's just go ahead and open it up and check out what we got. All right, guys, so there is our spindle. So basically this part's different, right? It's basically extended, or the whole thing's different. I don't even know.
It's completely different, yeah. The steering knuckle's higher, so.
Dang, that thing looks awesome. Yeah, Rough Country reached out. They said they're willing to partner with us, and they sent it like the next day. Super fast shipping right here in Tennessee, locally. Awesome. This looks really good.
Well, open it up, Michael.
Oh man, she heavy. No joke.
So where's the wheel bearings and the rest of the stuff?
I guess we gotta use our old wheel bearings, or we gotta press it out, or how does that?
So they're bolt-on, but yeah, we reuse all of our original stuff, so.
Wow, look at that machine, flat, looking real good, already painted. Are we gonna keep the same color, do you think, or maybe?
What if we paint it red?
I mean, we are going for the black and red theme, so it's not too bad being black. I don't know how much you're gonna see of this one either, so once you got everything together, I don't know.
Well, let's keep going.
All right, man, Rough Country definitely hooked us up. This is a complete set. Awesome. Let's see what we got. All right, U-bolts. This is probably for the rear.
Yeah, those are really, really long U-bolts.
Dang. Nice.
I guess we're not going that high.
They're going pretty high. Man, so we got all the U-bolts here.
It looks like this would be all for the rear.
Yeah.
It's got the spacing block. You see the spacer block.
Right here. Wow.
That's not that big.
That's pretty big. Usually we got a little, you know, leveling kit that we usually do, so this is definitely bigger.
That's pretty cool.
Awesome.
And I think that's the front. No, that's where the torsion keys go in.
Sure.
Or torsion bar goes in, Michael?
Man.
So everything you just took apart over there and switched the differential, you're gonna have to do again.
Who cares? This is awesome. This looks nice. Look at all this stuff. Man, sick. Man, it feels like Christmas for sure. Getting all this stuff. Let's see what's going on. More parts?
More brackets. I mean, we're gonna use the, you know, look up the how to do it.
I'm sure there's instructions. What
Some kind of spacers.
Yeah, for sure.
That looks like it's for the drop for the front differential.
Yeah. Oh boy. Okay. Same thing, probably. Got myself a mask. Just kidding. I think it's for the front differential. Sick. Definitely want to get this painted. It's gonna look good. Probably gonna see it.
I mean, should we paint it?
I think we should.
What color, Michael?
Let's go red, you know, match the truck. It look real cool.
What if I scratch it?
It's part of the game, you know, that's fine. Let's keep going.
So what are these, Michael?
Probably the shocks. Let's see, a knife. I don't know. Dang, here we go. Here are the goodies. Oh yeah, check out these shocks. Vortex.
Pull them out.
Oh yeah.
That looks like the front and the rear, Michael.
This is probably the rear.
You're right.
Looks
and
like
these have like dampness control. These are like the nice updated version.
Dang, look at that. Man, they're definitely stepping up their game. Rough Country, don't play around. Man, make sure you guys check out their website. They're hooking us up, but they have some great stuff on there. Make sure you, ooh, look at that. I mean, you see somebody pulling up with these, you know it's good.
I mean, I've been looking online in the reviews and people are really liking how they ride. You can go from stiff to soft really, really quick. Let's go to the truck frame and check it out.
Yeah, see what this looks like. All right, guys, look at the before and after. Man, that's definitely gonna look real good for sure. Especially when you're gonna lift it up, you're gonna see it easier. I mean, I'm almost thinking like, let's just throw it on there before we put the bed and cab on. It'd be kind of cool to see a lifted truck with no bed or cab.
I mean, nobody else has done it, so.
Yeah, that'd be kind of neat. I don't know, maybe we could. Probably easier.
And plus we can do our own alignment on it afterwards so we can be set up and ready to go.
Oh yeah, dang.
But we got a lot of work done today, Michael, right?
Oh yeah, still looking good. I mean, that sound dampening material is looking great. Honestly, really cool design on there, and it's gonna make it sound real nice.
We just need to buy one more box though.
Yeah, you know, that's part of it. Dang, let's keep going, open the rest. Nice. Ooh, it looks so good. Dang, it's like a two-piece on this one. This is probably the front shocks right here.
Yep.
Man, that's so sweet looking. Nice. Oh yeah. All right guys, so again, huge shout out to Rough Country for stepping up and helping out and giving us an entire lift kit. Man, super cool. Make sure you guys check out their website. We'll leave a link down below, and they got some awesome goodies on there. But that's all the time we have for this episode, guys. Thank you so much. Make sure you like, subscribe, and also let us know if we should modify the lift kit by painting it a custom color. Should we leave it alone? Or should we do it now, later, before? Should we put it on right now and kind of check it out? I think that'd be kind of fun to see, honestly, with no bed, no cab on there, and lift it. It's gonna look really cool, but I don't know, we still have so much work ahead of us. Make sure you stay tuned, guys. Don't miss out. We're gonna get this thing knocked out. We have more builds coming too. Thanks for watching. See you next time.